the one that I call metal. Yes, most times, people who must have traveled, to other parts of the country will tell you that if you take a look at other tribes, you will see that the Igbo people lacks love. And they will show you evidence, how much they love each other. Like if other tribes love each other and Igbo people are not also doing the same thing. But on why the people, the reason why Igbo people are hated in Nigeria is still simple. That marginalization that we complain about, it is simple, and it is basically the fact that Igbos hate themselves the first before any other person hated them. Now, Nigeria is a tribal country with an estimated population of about 45 million people. The Igbo ethnic group is one of the largest